Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem a code in Cookie Run Kingdom. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the game on your device and tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From here, select Settings, and then navigate to the Info tab. Inside this tab, you will see your account information, including your email address or username displayed at the top left corner. Tap on it to copy your account information. Next, open any browser on your device and search for DevPlay Coupon Cookie Run Kingdom. From the search results, open the official DevPlay Coupon redemption page, which is usually the first link. Once the page loads, you will see two fields. In the first field, paste the email or username that you copied from the game. In the second field, enter the redeem code that you want to use. After entering both details, tap on the Claim Reward or Redeem button. So that's basically how you can redeem a code in Cookie Run Kingdom. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.